Yo, what's good, everybody? I'm about to do my first vlog for today. Backing out on my driveway, I gotta go at an angle. Oh, scratch my lip. But so right now we headed out. It's top of the morning, almost 8 o'clock. It's almost 8 a.m. right now. The first stop, my physical therapy, because you know the boy had a knee injury. I usually go twice a week, so we better go do that first. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, like, comment, and subscribe. But I forgot to mention, since if you guys are new, I mean you guys are new, it's a new channel, but make sure to follow the gram and my brand page and the TikToks. It should be all the same. So whatever my Instagram is my TikTok too. So I'm gonna put that right here. So make sure y'all go follow it up to stay tuned and connected. But yeah, this is gonna be my first vlog, so I know it's gonna be like it's kind of awkward, but I'm just learning. So bear with me. For today, I mean, what we got planned? After my PT, I'm gonna come back home. But like tonight, I think I'm about to go hit like a local car meet with some of the homies. One of them got Q50 and Q40, the new Accords. So yeah, I think we're about to go check out that low car scene tonight. So I'm gonna vlog that and then probably pick back up the vlog around then. Good job, we back at the crib right now. We had a good workout at physical therapy. I'm tired. They had me doing a whole bunch of stuff, but I forgot to show you. I had picked up an acai bowl, but I dusted that thing. 2 minutes gone. I just picked up something for the car, for the Maxima. Nothing crazy, but you gonna be like, what is this? But I just picked up big old stop sign. Yeah, so we probably gonna use that for a skid plate, because there's like skid plates for my car, but they're like 300, so I'm not paying that, bro. So we finna probably put this under the car soon. I'll probably make a video of that, installing that soon. So y'all, if y'all want to do it, because I've seen a few people put stop signs under their cars, like stance dudes. So thought I'd try it out. So that car looking right now. See that? Guys, it's currently like 8 right now. We just got to the wash. We better go wash this thing up, and then we better head to the meet right after that. So I'll catch you right there. VIP. What? Hold on. Full VIP. What?
They crawl in there.
Yeah. I said crawl in there.
You turn around, you fucking halfway. That's first class right there.
What the fitment? What fitment? Shout out my boy. We got the SC, good SC. It's clean. Mama Lona's over there, fool. Mama Lona's, fool. Oh, that boy off the drag pack. 1000 GT.
Ain't like a chair in front of us.
Never cash around cause I'm tryna get rich. More than one hustle, I ain't gotta hit licks. I just hit your bitch, then pass her the R spit. I'm a hot nigga, but these bitches say I'm cold as fuck. Probably cause I never wanna kiss her and I only fuck. I don't gotta get her cause that bitch already know what's up. I hit it like a lick, then I fucking cut. I get it out the